Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope that you're having a beautiful day. Today I'm finally sharing with you a packing video, and as most of you know, I've been traveling the world full-time for the past 3.5 years, but what some of you may not know is I've been doing that with carry-on only. I know a lot of people find it difficult to travel even for like a week with only carry-on, but I've been doing it full-time, and I promise you it's easier than it sounds, so I'm gonna break it down for you in this video and share with you exactly what I bring and some tips on how to pack more efficiently. But first, I want to start with what I actually wear while I travel, and I want to say thank you so much to Lou & Grey for sponsoring this video. They make the comfiest, coziest clothes ever, and props to the girls out there that can wear like tight jeans and heels while traveling. You look beautiful, and I don't know how you do it. I am not one of those people. I want to be as comfortable as humanly possible, and I want to be able to fall asleep within minutes. So I've been wearing this Lou & Grey outfit while I travel my last couple of trips, and it's been amazing. These pants, specifically the upstate pants, oh my gosh, I cannot explain to you how soft these are. When Louis felt them, he was like, do they make guys pants? These are amazing. So that is so important to have really comfy pants, especially because, I don't know, sometimes you want to like stretch, you want to get comfy, you do not want to be in like tight constricting clothes. So lightweight, soft, and cozy for sure. And another tip is always make sure that you bring a sweatshirt with you, because a lot of like trains and buses and planes can get really cold, so you want to be able to layer. Have a t-shirt underneath just in case it's really hot out, but always bring a sweatshirt or a layer to throw on in case you get cold. Okay, and without further ado, let me show you what I pack. I travel with a small suitcase, a backpack, and a small crossbody bag. In the suitcase, I pack all of my clothes. You guys know that 99% of the time I'm in a dress, so I usually pack around 10 to 15 dresses, maybe a skirt with a crop top, and if I'm going somewhere cold, then maybe a pair of pants and a couple of shirts. I'd recommend rolling your clothes if you want to prevent wrinkles, but it's kind of like playing Tetris. I just put things where there's space for them. I also bring a day backpack with me that can fit more than my crossbody bag can. On the other side, I've got 2 active outfits, including sports bras and tops and leggings, a pair of pajamas, a bathing suit, possibly 1 or 2 more if I'm going to a beach location, a light jacket, a small pouch for my underwear and socks, heels if I need them for that trip. Quick interruption, I realized that I forgot to explain it to you. So while until about 2 weeks ago I didn't have a house, and for 3.5 years I had nowhere of my own to keep my stuff, the things that you see in this video are not every single thing I own, because Louis' parents live in London, my parents live in New York, so between the two I've left like a couple of winter things and a couple of extra dresses and stuff, just so whenever I pass through I can switch out some of my dresses and maybe leave the heels if I'm like not going anywhere that I need to dress up for a while, and maybe take something else that I might need. So yeah, just in case you're confused, this isn't everything I own, but honestly it's like most of it. And if I got rid of anything that was in London and New York, I'd probably still be fine. And also, I wear sneakers on the plane. I forgot to tell you that as well. I always wear my bulkiest shoes on the plane, and sneakers are usually bigger than everything else I have, and they're really comfortable as well. Okay, back to the video. Next, I pack a pair of flip-flops and sandals, and all my shoes I put in cloth bags that can be washed to keep everything else clean. Then I've got a tripod, a cloth laundry bag to divide my dirty clothes, whatever book I'm reading at the time, and that's it in the suitcase. Next up is the backpack, and it's really important for me that I have one that's padded and comfortable. And the main things I keep in there are all my electronics. In this padded removable section, I've got camera lenses, chargers, extra batteries, my GH4, a GoPro, drone controller, and hard drives. In my backpack, I also pack my drone, Chromebook, laptop, charger, all of my liquids in a TSA-approved toiletry bag so it's easy to take out at airports, any non-liquid toiletries in a separate bag, another small pouch for my in-flight essentials, which I'll show you in another video, a universal adapter, and my bras so that they don't lose their shape in the suitcase. I keep my electronics in my backpack just in case I'm forced to check in my suitcase if the flight is full, then anything fragile always stays with me. And last but not least, in the crossbody bag, I've got my sunglasses in a case, my wallet, Sony RX100, my phone with its charger, headphones, hair ties, lip balm, and my travel documents. These are my most reached for things, so I keep them easiest to get to. And that's it. I hope that seeing this has inspired you guys to travel a bit lighter and maybe try going on your next trip with carry-on only. It's just so freeing to bring less stuff with you, and especially when you travel, I feel like I've recently had this realization that when I travel, it just doesn't really matter what I'm wearing and what I look like. I'm not going somewhere to dress pretty while I'm there. I'm going somewhere to experience the place and the culture and learn something while I'm there. You guys know I love my pretty dresses, but the number one thing for me is comfort and ease. And I don't want to bring a million different outfits, a million different shoes. I want to have exactly what I need and nothing more. And I promise you, if you go on your next trip and pack lighter, you won't even miss the stuff that you didn't bring. Think about it. How often do you pack and not use like 40% or more of the things that you bring with you? So just don't bring those things with you next time. Minimize what you have with you while you travel, and you will realize that you need so much less in life than you think you do. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure that you give it a like and subscribe if you haven't already, and click here to watch one of my travel videos. Thank you again so much to Lou and Gray for sponsoring this video, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.